job fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic to prepare a saturated solution of copper sulfate. You know student, copper sulfate is the one crystal form compound. Okay. So question is how we make a saturated solution with the help of copper sulfate. So student, first we need some things. What is the need? What is the material? First we need copper sulfate, a beaker, a glass rod, a bunsen burner. Okay student? See, after that first you take a beaker and fill the water in the beaker. Okay, first you take a beaker and fill with water. After that you take some copper sulfate, some powder of copper sulfate and add in the water and shake well. Okay, shake well. When it dissolves, you add some more copper sulfate. Again shake. If the one condition occurs, when we add the copper sulfate, it becomes not dissolved. It settles on the base. So when such condition start, means the copper sulfate start to settling on the base is known as the saturated solution. Clear? After that you take such mixture of water and copper sulfate and start the heating. Okay? When we start the heating, then what we observe? We observe that the remaining copper sulfate which are settled on the base of the beaker, it dissolves. Okay, it becomes dissolved. It means, what is the observation? Their observation means when we add copper sulfate and start the heating, then such copper sulfate dissolve in the water. Okay. After that you cool the solution with the help of tap water. What comes in that? On cooling the hard saturated solution, the crystal of copper sulfate separate down. Means what we observe? When saturated solution start to heat, it change into the unsaturated solution, and when it become cool, again it change into the saturated solution. Okay student? Conclusion means a saturated solution on being heated become unsaturated, because when we heat, then the remaining copper sulfate what is settled on the base is dissolved due to the temperature. Okay, but on cooling the unsaturated solution become saturated. Okay student? So these are the some point of the to prepare the saturated solution of copper sulfate. Okay student? Next one is the solubility. What is the solubility? So student, the quantity of a solute that dissolve in a given temperature, okay, at a fixed quantity of solvent is known as the solubility of the solute. Remember, the amount of solvent is fixed and temperature also fixed. Take 100 gram water and temperature is the 20 degrees Celsius temperature. So at 20 degrees Celsius, about the 36 gram of salt dissolved. Okay student? So see, like common salt, 36 gram, copper sulfate, see, salt, 36 gram, copper sulfate, 32 gram. Means, what is the amount? Amount is the 100 gram. Amount of the solvent is the 100 gram and temperature 20 degrees Celsius. So this is the solubility. But you know effect of temperature on solubility of solute. Stand when we increase the temperature, then the kinetic energy of the solvent increase. Okay, and the result when kinetic energy of the solvent increase, then more and more solute dissolve in the solvent. Okay, more and more solute dissolve in the solvent. So remember student, when we increase the temperature, then the amount of solute dissolve more than the lower temperature. Okay, means when temperature decrease, the solubility of solute decrease. When temperature increase, then the solubility of solute increase. Okay student, so these are the some point of the solubility and making the saturated solution. Okay student, so the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.